lab junction pocket size pH meter, model LJ135 family model. This is our main instrument. Side view, back view, again side view, on off control. With this pocket size pH meter, we supplied instruction manual. One more instructions. Warranty card for 1 year. Buffer solutions 7 pH, 4 pH and 2 buffer sachets 6.86 and 4.01 for future calibration after 1 year. Lab junction provides pocket size pH meter LJ135 factory calibrated. These are used after 1 year. 7 pH buffer, 4 pH buffer, pH 6.86, 4.01. After 1 year, if you want to calibrate, you can use these buffer solutions. Screwdriver for calibration of pocket size pH meter. Now, in this is the protection cover of pH sensor or pH electrode. When you don't use this pocket size pH meter, then you can cover this pH sensor or pH electrode. This is the main display. In this is the battery compartment. In this 4 batteries are there, LR44, 300 hours lifetime. This is also battery compartment. You can also open from this side. In this, these are the calibration screws like pH 7, pH 4 or pH 10. You can calibrate only single buffer because this is single calibration pocket size pH meter. You can calibrate 7, pH 7 or pH 4 or pH 10. You can calibrate only single buffer, then other buffers already calibrated. You can calibrate only pH 7 buffer. If you can calibrate pH 7 buffer, no need to calibrate pH 4 buffer or pH 10 buffer. If you can calibrate pH 4, no need to calibrate pH 7. If you can calibrate pH 10 buffer, no need to calibrate pH 7. Now I am calibrating only pH 7 like this. I am taking this pH buffer 7. This is my pH buffer 7. Now I am opening this, and this is switch on. This is switch off. I am switching on the pocket size pH meter and dip in the 7 pH buffer like this. You can calibrate like this from this buffer. This is pH 7. You can calibrate from this screw like this, and wait for 30 seconds. Like 7.07 is coming, then you can calibrate from this pH 7 like this. Now pH buffer 7 is calibrated. You can cross check this. Now pH 7 is calibrated. Now I am checking one sample for this. This is the sample. You can refresh from any tissue paper like this and dip in your sample. Now my pH is coming. This is hard water sample. Hard water from tap. In drinking water, pH value is 6.5 pH to 8.6 pH. For next sample, you again refresh the pH electrode with the help of tissue paper and dip in another sample. No need to calibrate lab junction pocket size pH meter. Minimum 1 year. After 1 year you can recalibrate this. Lab junction provides pocket size pH meter factory calibrated. This is my final reading. Thanks.